Hello, and thank you for your interest in our Save Me Magnets Biomagnetic Therapy Self-Care products. In this video, we're going to give you a quick description about the origins of our Save Me Magnets Biomagnetic Therapy products. If you have a medical condition, or you don't, but want to live a great life full of energy and emotional strength, you should know that there is a new, safe, powerful, and effective biomagnetic therapy treatment that is taught at universities around the world and is greatly revolutionizing the healthcare world. We have extensive experience with this biomagnetic science, and we invite you to seek it and make it part of your wellness strategies, regardless of good or bad health. For more information about this science, we invite you to read books by biomagnetic specialist Moses Durazo. Regrettably, because this is such a new medical science, most people have never heard of it and are greatly missing out. Today, there are still only a small amount of practitioners in the world, making accessibility a challenge for many. With this accessibility problem in mind, we developed simple-to-use biomagnetic therapy kits for personal use so that you too may get the benefits of biomagnetism.